Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about HTML links. A link in an elements that allow you to navigate to another web page or resources when you click on it. It's similar to a door in a house. Each door take you navigate, each door take you to a different place. In our case, it take up to a different web page. Now, let's move on to creating a basic link. To create one, we use the A element, which stands for anchor element. Inside this anchor element, we use the href attribute to specify where the link should be take user. Its link given the browser interaction. When someone click on this link, take them here. Let's go at example to understand this better. The anchor tag start here and end here. Inside it, we specify the path of the link using the href attribute. Show you an example and let me open my code editor. Here is the link you can see named Visit Ikra Technology. I saved it using Ctrl plus S and open it with a live server. You can see a link on the screen. When I click on it, it opens a page called Ikra Technology. Now, let me go back. Next, we will discuss setting the link targets. By setting the link's target, you can control how the link opens when clicked. We use the target attribute within the anchor tag. Let's go over some common value of the target attribute. First, self. This opens the link in the same tab or window. It's the default behavior when no target attribute is specified. I will specify the target as self in my code editor and saved it. Even though this is a default behavior, specifying it does not change anything. When I click on it link, it opens in the same tab as before. Then blank. This opens the link in a new tab or window. Let's look at an example. In my code, I will replace self with blank and saved it. When I click the technology link, it opens in a new tab. You can see that this behavior allows you to open the link in a separate tab. After that, we have the parent, which open the link in the parent frame. This is useful when your website is using frames. Let me show you an example. If I set target parent in the code and saved it, the link will open in the same tab like cell. So, switch break out of any frame and open the link in the full browser window. Let me give you an example. I will use target top in the code and refresh it. The behavior appears as the same as self, but if frame were being used top would open the link in the full window. Now, different type of links. Let's now talk about different type of links you can create for various purposes. First, external link. External links point to resource outside the current website. They use an absolute URL, including the protocol. For example, we can create a link to an external website like Facebook. I will copy the Facebook URL and paste it into the code as an absolute URL. After saving it and refresh the browser, you will see a link labeled Visit Facebook. When clicked, it redirects to the Facebook page. Internal links. Internal links point to the author page within the current website. They use the relative URL that specifies the path relative to the current page. For example, I will copy the relative path and paste it into the code. After saving it, if you click on the link and the page does not exist, the browser will show the error like now. Let's create a new page named contactus.html. I will make a basic HTML page with the title Contact Us and an h1 tag containing the text contact. Once this page is created, I will link it from my main page, index.html. In index.html, I will add a link pointing to the contactus.html using the relative path. When I save and refresh the browser, clicking on the Contact Us link, contactus.html page. This is an example of the internal links because it's pointing to another pages within the same project. Anchor links. Anchor links also known as segment links, pointing to a specified section within the same web page. These links are particularly useful for navigating long web pages. I will create multiple sections in the web page using div elements. Each section will have a unique ID, like section 1, section 2, and section 3, and some content inside. When you click on jump to section 1, the browser will scroll directly to section 1, and the same will happen for the section 2nd and section 3rd. If you add more content between sections, the navigation will still work seamlessly, allowing user to jump directly to the desired section without manually scrolling. This is how internal links and anchor links helps ensure navigation with help enhance navigation between the same project or web page. Now, I need to scroll a lot if I have a lot of content on a single page. We can use navigation within the same page. For example, when I click on section 3, it directly takes me to section 3. If I scroll back to the top and then click on section 2nd, it takes me to section 2nd. This is how we can navigate efficiently within a single page. Email links. And email links allow user to send an email to the specified email address. When they click on it, it uses the mail protocol followed by the email address. For example, I will create an email links. When I click on it, I have specified the mail to protocol and provide the email address. Showing a new email window with the email address info@ikrotechnology.com. Then telephone links. A telephone links allow user to phone call when clicked, especially on mobile device. It used to tell protocol followed by the phone number. For example, here how it works. I create a link using the tell protocol and include a phone number like when a user click on this link, the mobile device prompts them to make a call using the phone app. For instance, when I click on it asks to open the dialer app or a similar option. When I confirm, it opens the app with the phone number already filled in. Then image links. You can create links using image instead of text by placing an image inside an anchor tag. The image becomes clickable. For instance, we have an example where the URL is example.com. Copy the example and paste into my code editor. Here you can see the image file is image.jpg. After placing the image within the anchor tag and saved it, here you can see the image does not appear. It's because the image file is missing. Once the image is added and the path is correct, it will display on the web page. When you click on the image, it will navigate to the specified link. For example, if I add a link to www.ikratechnology.com and saved it, click on the image, will open the Ikra Technology website. Making links stand out. By default, links in HTML appear blue and underlined. However, with CSS, you can change the appearance of links. You can modify their colors, remove the underline, and even customize how they look when hovered over with a mouse. For instance, external link usually appear below and underline. Let's take an example. Saved it and open live server. You can see visit Ikra look like this. If I apply a red color to the link using color red, the link text will change to red. If I apply a green color to the link using color green, the link text will change to green. I can add hover effect. For example, when hovering over a link, its color change from green to red. To achieve this, I use the hover in CSS to specify a color change, making web page more effective. These techniques make your web page more functional and user friendly. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.